Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. A. A for arrow. A for arrow. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for egg. E for egg. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for girl. G for girl. H. H for house. H for house. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. J for joker. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. M. M for mango. M for mango. N. N for nose. N for nose. O. O for owl. O for owl. P. P for piano. P for piano. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for ring. R for ring. S. S for sister. S for sister. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for village. V for village. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. So kids, what we learn today? We learn yellow color and light green color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.